Alright, this is going to be a short video on my Gamo 177 air rifle. And I really think I've had this rifle for about 2 years. It's the Gamo Whisper in 177 caliber. And they call it Whisper because it's got kind of a silencer right up here. I don't think it's that quiet, but anyway, the safety on this thing is this lever right here, right in front of the trigger. Okay, the safety is on right now. To deactivate the safety, put your thumb or finger in there and deactivate. So that safety is off. Now to activate the safety, you put your finger in there and push towards the trigger. Does anybody see how dangerous that is? I mean, it's not really dangerous, but you know, if your safety off, and to activate the safety, you gotta put your finger in there and push toward the trigger. See, I activated the safety, but my finger ended up on the trigger anyway. So I think that's some bad engineering on Gamo's part. But I have had this rifle for about 2.5 years. It's a great shooter. I mean, it keeps it zero. I really like it, except for the safety. It's a great rifle. I'm going to show you one more example of a bad safety. Okay, now this is the Beeman. I don't remember the model, but it's a Beeman air rifle. And the safety on this one is, again, it's inside the trigger guard. And there's a little lever there, right there. The safety is on. Now to take the safety off, you gotta put your finger in there or thumb and push up. Safety off. Now the only way the safety will activate again is if you cock the rifle. So I think any safety that's inside the trigger guard is not that good. And I'll give you one example of a good one. All right. That was an equipment malfunction. Sorry about that. Okay, now this is an example of a good safety, and it is on the RWS, and it's also a 177 caliber, and there's a safety lever right there. That's where it should be. Now right now the safety is on. Push it forward, safety off. I can pull it back, safety on, forward, safety off. And this is the RWS 177. It's also a break barrel. And this thing shoots just as good as the Gamo, but I think the safety system is a little bit better. Safety off. That's the safety on, safety off. Your finger is nowhere near the trigger guard, so that's much better than the Beeman or the Gamo air rifle. And actually my choice of the three that shoots the best is this RWS, but I like shooting the Gamo because it's a lot lighter. Okay, that's it. Hope Gamo sees this. Knuckle bump.